A man gains 20% by selling an article for a certain price. If he sells it at double the price, the percentage of profit will be. Well, let us assume that the cost price of this article is 100 rupees, right? Now he sells this article and gains 20%. So the selling price will be 20% increase in the cost price. So 20% increase in 100 is 120. Now this man sells this article at double the price. So new SP, the new selling price, is equals to double the previous selling price. So double the 120 is equals to 240. So new selling price is 240 rupees. Now we have to calculate what is the profit percentage if the article is sold at this new selling price. So let us first calculate the profit. So profit is equal to the selling price minus the cost price. So the selling price is 240 minus the cost price is 100. So it is equals to 140 is the profit. Now profit percentage is equals to the profit upon the cost price times 100. So 140 upon the cost price is 100 times 100. So profit percentage is 140%. And we have our answer. Option D. If selling price is doubled, the profit triples. You have to find the profit percentage. Well, let us assume that the cost price is equals to X rupees. And let us also assume that the selling price is equals to Y rupees. So the profit here will be equals to selling price minus cost price, which is Y minus X. So we have the profit. Now what is given in this question? If the selling price is doubled, so new selling price, which is SP2, is equals to doubled of the previous, so 2Y. Then the profit triples. Well, the cost price remains the same, so CP is equals to X. Now according to the traditional formula, profit, the second profit, is equals to 2Y minus X, selling price minus the cost price, so 2Y minus X. But this profit is the triple of the previous profit. So this is equal to 3P is equals to 2Y minus X. Now 3P is basically 3 times Y minus X. So 3 times Y minus X. So I can write it as 3Y minus 3X is equals to 2Y minus X. So 3Y minus 2Y gives you Y is equals to plus 3x minus x gives you 2x. So we have a relation between the cost price and the selling price. So y is equals to 2x. So here y is equal to 2x. Put it in this equation. So the profit is equals to 2x minus x. So profit is equals to x. Now we want the profit percentage. So what is the formula for profit percentage? P percent equals to profit upon cost price times 100. And that is equals to x divided by the cost price is x. So x upon x times 100. X get cancelled out. So therefore profit percentage is equals to 100%. Option B is the right answer. By selling a pen for rupees 15, a man loses 1/16 of what it costs him. What is the cost price of this pen? Well, we have been given the selling price of this pen, which is 15. So SP is equals to 15. And it is said that this man loses 1/16 of what it costs him. So we have been given the loss. So loss is equals to 1/16 of what this pen was purchased for. So this pen was purchased for the cost price. So 1/16 of the cost price. Now we know the formula for loss, and we have the selling price and loss. So we can calculate the cost price. So loss is equals to the cost price minus the selling price. So therefore the loss is 1/16 of cost price is equals to cost price minus the selling price is 15. So I have 15 on the left is equals to cost price minus 1/16 of the cost price. So therefore I have 15 is equals to 16 cost price minus 1 cost price is equals to 15 CP by 16. So therefore cost price is equals to 15 times 16 by 15. and that is 16 rupees. So the cost price is 16 rupees. Option A is the right answer. If loss is 1/3 of the selling price, what is the loss percentage? Well, the loss percentage is equals to the loss divided by the cost price times 100. We have this formula, and we have been given that loss is equal to 1/3 of the selling price. So loss is equals to 1/3 of this selling price. So I can put this here in this equation. So it is equals to 1/3 of the selling price upon the cost price. Well, loss is again equals to the cost price minus the selling price. So cost price is equals to loss plus selling price. But loss is 1/3 of SP. So cost price is 1/3 of SP plus SP. So what I have is 4 selling price upon 3. So cost price is 4/3 SP. So I have 1/3 SP divided by 4/3 SP times 100. So this selling price gets cancelled out. This and this get cancelled out. So this is equal to 100/4, and that is equals to 25%. So we have our right option as option C.